Some contact further back in the pack. Kanke getting moved by McGee. Remember, Christian McGee on the rebound up to the 8th position now. And 3 wide out of turn number 2. They're making it work.
I don't know how, but they did.
Oh, trouble front straightaway. John Moore gets turned. Gomes had his nose just to the outside of Moore. They played a game of chicken with each other, and Moore's car head on into the wall on the front straightaway.
Heavy damage to that front end.
A massive hit.
He's unbuckling. Good to see through that pass.
Such a shame. Another driver with a great run here today.
Right. Look at the markings just going into that spot. The whole front end is just collapsed in. Basically, it looks like up to the firewall. John Moore out of his race car. That's good to see. Man.
It was one of those real estate issues. Right. Moore was on the inside. The 16 of Gomes was just doing everything he could to claim that outside lane. And well, good to see Moore walking his way back. Oh, Tommy, why don't we take a look right now? Because John Moore is going to have a conversation with Mr. Gomes. And the officials are like, we'll just listen in on this. So, do you think John Moore got his point across?
I think he also took out our GoPro.
Did the GoPro just fall off the car? Well, thanks, John. What did we ever do?
Easy does it, John. Take it out on the car, not the GoPro. The GoPro on the roof of his car. John is looking
John's
at that
looking
GoPro.
at the GoPro.
And he's like, don't tell me that they didn't put a camera on my car, damn it. That's why he's mad.
He wasn't mad at Gomes. He was mad that we put a camera on.
I got to see that one more time.
That camera went flying.
I mean, look at the rebound of this GoPro. Boom! That went up to at least his shoulder.
Really? Really?
You saw it here.
You did.
Do you think other broadcast companies have that? We're up there. We're part of the action, folks.